program directors. First, let me recognize the ministry. Babes Lulek, thank you for joining us this morning. And also recognize my board member, Lazwane Pasha. She's our board member, Lokona. We'll be seeing a lot of board members. They'll be joining us later. Let me also recognize our sponsors. FNB is our main sponsor for this event. That's Basha Nkambule. Kabanga usnan kumano nongeni of Vulema County FNB. But they might send more thing next year. This year they want it to be much bigger and better. Let me also recognize our sponsor, partner in terms of improving our ecosystem. We've got Desire Line. I can see Magesha Babu representing, especially in Mandla. We've got also our partners, from our university that also brought my Ashazet for Limkukwing University. We've got Swatini Stock Exchange, we've got RSTP, but by board, if Bakona, both Achievement, both Enactors, those are our partners who are working together to push agenda here. I understand. All protocol observed. RSTP, thanks for coming this one. This is our first edition of the youth conference. We believe in engagement as the youth enterprise revolving fund. We've got a board. I think Utakuluma chairing a board of young people that represent a board. Let's change the way we've been doing business. Let's engage. Let's have the youth charting their cause. That is the belief here, board. They believe you do have solutions for your livelihood, for your lives. That is the boardless now. It's good that you've got the energy, you've got the ideas. Where it is to support with the government, with all the other partners. That's why we're here. In today's edition, like we have said, we will try going forward during the Global Entrepreneurship Week. Global Entrepreneurship Week. Because it's very, very important that we know, we are knowledgeable. Youth, we need to start there, we need to unlearn and learn. Can we start? Okay, you didn't Google, but you can Google. Yes, this is the Global Entrepreneurship Week. And understand why it's so important to recognize that people who are driving economies. Entrepreneurs, SMEs are the drivers of economies. We've got over 60,000 currently. My SMEs have created how many jobs, how much they're contributing to GDP. SMEs, they drive the economies. We do have foreign direct investors, but you drive the economies. Those who have taken the courage to run businesses are the ones that drive the economy on a day-to-day. So that's why the economies were saying they're thriving because we are behind. And then we have to celebrate this year's theme is about entrepreneurs driving here. We are driving here. We're driving together. We drive together. That's why we've decided let's bring the experts, industry experts, for this engagement this year. So you can learn and maybe briefly, I'm not sure about Youth Enterprise Revolving Fund, or YERF. Can by show of hands just talk on what they would say, just by show of hands. Youth Enterprise Revolving Fund, which went down, okay. And then why? Mandate here, I think it's very, very important. The key objectives at the conference today, the first one, and I want to program to try to motivate you to succeed in business by equipping them with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to operate business successfully. I think that's our key thing. So if we're not going to see that confidence, it's this journey. It's also to foster an entrepreneurship culture and mindset shift among the youth. The mindset is very, very important, especially the entrepreneurship mindset. It's talking to compliance, it's talking to integrity, it's talking to a lot of things that necessarily let's not only look at. I think we'll be having our motivator this morning too. Swaz is saying this, I think he's already here. One of the young person doing the gradings. We'll also be having one of South African achiever youth. Dio Baloyi will be here. We are Tambamba, I see there. We are Tambamba, he'll be here. At 12:30 he'll be here making his presentation. Just to tell you about this journey from humble beginnings, from vendor, without Jerry. He's a big star, he's a multi-millionaire, this young man. But you think about travel shop UK, you see those techies, sneakers everywhere. So this is the thing that must give you confidence, which is doable. We do have our young people as part of the panelists. They'll be sharing their stories, they're doing great things. So we are there. And I always say in the office, Nankuluma, the young people have got new opportunities than us. They say, go 40, 50. You've got different opportunities. And if you accept, the environment has changed. The dynamics have changed. The economics have changed. I normally sit with Babe, Dr. Chung, we share a lot of things about the economics and other challenges just now. But we always look at an opportunity. This is an opportunity for you. If you in such a mindset or two, you want to go, say when statistics is coming out today are saying 58.2% of young people between the ages of 18 to 35 are unemployed. We also conducted a survey with the UNICEF last year, August, September. The results, the survey came up with very shocking results. Let's see, we have got over 50% of EMA graduates that are unemployed. And something I break it down over 5 years, for interviews, I think it's not. But just to get that opportunity to present yourself, you're above 30%. It is not a crisis. I always say, let's use this as an opportunity to venture into other things, venture into business. So one of the things we have to objective here today is to identify those business opportunities that are attractive to local and international standards. Because the other important thing is standards. That's in the business. I think in the standards agriculture. Let's observe, let's comply with standards for your goods. Standards are very, very important. Standards are and quality. So quality control, how to manage. My director who said my standards for your goods at Sensei. The markets are there. Siyasibone inkosi ukulisa hamba sayina nahulumende basayine agreements. Sikuda posita khona kuma agreements khona. Venezuela we do have a Mercosur asinjalo. Sinabo EU, sinabo COESA, sinabo COMESA, sinabo SADC, sinabo AGOA. Kuda posita khona ema trade agreements, which means they recently we were part of the African Continental Free Trade Area. They provide opportunities, new opportunities to do business in Africa. I think there are a lot of things I know in terms of harmonizing standards in our reports, the logistics, the customs issues, etc., etc. These are opportunities provided not for us, for you. Why are they doing it? For who? They are doing it for us, for all of the young people who say now we are providing a new opportunity and a new platform for you. Information, you are doing a lot. I've got friends, I've shared in the office and I've got friends about America, African boys from Togo, in the past, I've got friends all over Africa and the network. The guys have started online marketing platform. They are basically trying to source in Africa African attires from the Lesotho, Swaziland. They are selling this thing. I'm not lying. I give you. They are selling more. The guys will get about 200, about $250 US. I'm being honest. That is the market. The shirts, this one, that's why I get it up. I do it. So I'm going to go back with. As far as I'm negotiate. Yeah, negotiate. Those shirts are $100. They are $100, but it's $100. You understand? That is the market. You are doing great things in fashion. You are doing great things in music. I see some of my friends here in music. I don't find a hip hop. So you are doing a lot of great things. Why can't we use those opportunities? I think about that little radio. There's this young girl from Makaya, my time, signing inangake, ingoma yakhe, it's in the music, guys. Please. Young girl, they are with the class. I think they are trend. Apiwe, just tell them. Apiwe, what's her number? Brown. Chris Brown. By music, the voice is so unique. She's now from the rural, humbly. We are trainer. This morning we're getting this. Now I'm checking on Google. She has been recognized for iPhone in India. She's now in the international platform. Her life has changed. By her voice, talent, you understand? We are using gadgets for what? I think that is the whole, it's in a Skype gadgets. Why can't you sing? And well, we're just a clip I got to know. Then when I'm a beat, and there's no beat, nothing. But now it's trending internationally. So use that. I think this is why we are here to try to identify my strategies, identify what's in is to encourage you, but most importantly, this is going to be a conversation. My policy makers in front of us, my board of directors of Youth Fund, we want to know la personas improve the call. We are a learning institution, a learning organization, and government bamvile lesa khuluma sibayene ukuthi issue here it's at the center of development. The issue here, youth unemployment, it's critical, it's a crisis. It's agile and so all of us here, we are ready to change the shoes, and we'll be running. So accountability to say changing is going to be maybe not quarterly, it's going to be monthly. There's Vama reporter, maybe quarterly, but now it's going to be monthly, and you have to produce evidence. Which is always when they now evidence. And I think that is where we are. So I think from me, is for you just to enjoy today's session. Please feel free to share good idea, good question there. I think for us is to encourage you. And once again, thank you to our sponsors, my panelists, helpful. I think they'll be here. And also Linda. Linda is one of the young person. And Dafun's aware that Funak Interact has done great things. I think I think diaspora yam. That's my conferences there. Udasi is one of a Swazi who's on the South Africa, but he feels home is home. He needs to. We have a village champion. He told me, Nkambule, and I want to provide opportunities for the youth. And he's what he's doing. He's engaging with doing great deals in South Africa. He's R&B, Remington Bank, on the investment. He's dealing with energy, oil, big deals. I don't because this is what you want to be promoting. You can get into business about energy. You can get into about climate change, the green climates, green economies. I think they will be sharing with Segunan later. He's here, everything with just to support you. But we believe from this relationship with the Youth Fund, we're going to benefit through it. Once again, thank you very much.